Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make a custom t-shirt in Roblox. It's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is hop onto roblox.com. From there sign into your existing account and go to create. Now from at create we want to go to creations right here, and inside the creations tab we want to go to the avatar items. Now here we have 4 options. We're going to the clothing one. Let's go to the classic one, and here you can make a classic t-shirt. Now here it's already set to classic, and here what you want to do, you want to press upload as it. Now make sure that the file is one of these files and it isn't bigger than 20 megabytes. Now here you can upload a photo. Now let's go to the downloads, and here you can actually upload the photo. Make a name, what the Sigma, and make a description, for example. From there you press upload, and that's about it. Now you can see for yourself with your t-shirt is right here, and here you can put it on sale, as you can see. Now it's very easy. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.